So the bills have dropped a lot. I like to look at the apps a lot to check how much I'm spending, how much I'm gaining from the solar. And before I had my solar and heat pump, with only using the gas for a few hours a day, I was spending about £5.50 per day in winter, and that's across my gas and electric. Well, now with my heat pump, solar batteries, I'm spending about £1.50 per day, and that includes charging my van at night as well. It's really cheap. It's a fraction of the cost from what it was before. Yes, I absolutely would recommend Cahill to other people. I already have recommended them to a few of my friends and family who have been looking at heat pumps and solar and batteries. I'd recommend them because they were just very friendly, very informative and very responsive, and they're always quick to reply to any questions and queries I have. And I'm using them again to replace my gas cooker at the moment as well, because I want to get off gas completely. They're just really friendly and helpful, and the whole team's lovely. Also really quick with getting my MCS certificate for the solar and the batteries, and the boiler upgrade scheme grant came through really quickly, and everything was just very quick.